Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to receive international wire transfer to Chase Bank. So to get started with the guide and how you can receive the wire transfer. So the first thing to do is to make sure you log into your Chase account through our website or the mobile app. Just make sure you log into your account. Depends on anywhere you are available, which is if it is website or mobile app. Then tap or click your account, then find and select wire transfer or wire instruction. Then locate your international wire details, which is the case will display everything you need to give to the sender, including your full name as it appears on your account, then your account number, your Chase Swift or your BIC code, then your bank name, for example, you know, JP Morgan Chase Bank NA, then the address, the bank address. Just make sure you provide the information accurate. Then share these details with a person or the business sending the wire from overseas. Then wait for the transfer to be processed, which is typically between 1 to 5 business days, depending on the sending country and bank. And also, incoming international wire may subject to $15 fee, and intermediary bank fees may be or may also be applied. So you will receive a notification once the fund arrive, and you can track the transaction under your transfer or wire activities in the bank or in the app or online. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.